Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the question paper Set C from 2024 for class 1 Mathematics Olympiad. So let's get started. First question. The Varun's mathematics exam will be on 3rd Thursday on February 2000 on which date his mathematics exam will be held. So let's see, we have given the month February and Varun's mathematics exam will be on 3rd Thursday. So here is the Thursday. So let's find out first Thursday, second Thursday, and this is a third Thursday. So Varun's exam is on the which date? That is 15 February. So answer for this question is option C. Next question. Dash dash groups of the four flags each can be formed from the given flags. So let's make a group of four flags. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one group. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. This is second group. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is third group. Means what? There are three groups of four flags. Each can be formed from the given flags. Therefore, answer for this question is option A. Next question. Select a figure from the options which will complete the given figure pattern. So first observe the figure pattern. Here is also triangle and this will be not in blue color. Therefore option D and this option C is not correct. Now if you observe here this arrow, this is direction is upward direction. So there should be a upward direction. Therefore from A and B, option B is the correct figure and option A is not correct. Next question. Dash dash is exactly in the middle of the given arrangement. So we have given arrangement and we have to find out the exact middle object, right? So that we can cancel out the last items. Similarly here we can cancel. Similarly here and here. That's why we can easily find out the middle object, that is mango, and mango is in option C. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Next question. Find the missing alphabet in the given alphabet pattern. So here is H, G, F, E, question mark and C. So if you observe here, this is start from this side. So this is C. We can write this one as D, E, F, G and H. Therefore the missing alphabet is the capital D. Therefore answer for this question is option C. Next question. Select the correct match of the shape that can be drawn using the given solids. So we have given what first in option A, that is a cylinder. So we can draw a cylinder, right? Here is we have given triangle. So option A is not correct match. Similarly from B, sphere, we can draw the circle. So this is also not correct. In option C, cube, we can draw a square. So we have given the circle. So this option is not correct. And in option D, we have given the cuboid and we can draw the rectangular. And that is a correct match we have given. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. If this is related to this figure in some way, then in the same way, this is related to what? So again, there should be a square and there is a should be a three object, right? But like this, isn't it? Therefore, choose the option. So option B is the correct answer for given question. Next question. Select the odd one out. So if you observe here, option A, B and D are the yes shirts, right? Type of the shirts, that is upper wear, and option C is what? A lower wear, right? Means what? This is the pant, right? Therefore, this is the odd one. So option C is the correct answer. Next one. The lady is making breakfast for her family. So it must be a. So we eat breakfast at the morning. Therefore, this must be a morning. And you can also see there is a sun rising. Therefore, is definitely a morning. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. So there are dash dash brinjals inside the basket. So we have basket. There are some brinjals inside and some outside. So we have to find out the number of brinjals which is inside the basket. So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 brinjals. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following option shows the expanded form of the given number of given strawberries? So first calculate the number of strawberries. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 strawberries. So let's find out the correct option. So this is 10 plus 6, that is 16. 10 plus 5, 15. So this is the answer, right? Because 1 plus 6, 7, not correct, and 1 plus 5, 6 is not correct. So option B is the correct expanded form shows. Next question. So there is are that dash months in a year that have exactly 29 days in a leap year. So we know that in ordinary year, so there are 365 days. But in a leap year, there are 366 days. Right? So in which month there has exactly 29 days? So we know that the 29 days is in the month of February in the leap year. Otherwise, in normal year, there are always 28 days. But in the year of the leap year, February contains 29 days and there is only 1 month. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So, there is a 1 month in the year that has exactly 29 days in a leap year. Next question. The difference between the greatest and smallest number shown in the mobile phone. So we have given mobile phone, we have given numbers, and we have to find out difference between the greatest number. Now greatest number, that is big number. So among these there is a big number, that is 98, and smallest number. So if you observe, there is a, yes, 17 is the smallest number. So we have to find out their subtraction. So 8 minus 7 1, 9 minus 1 is 81. So difference between greatest and smallest number is 81. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Next question. The given object can. So we can see here. So we know that this object only roll. Therefore option A is the correct answer. The given object can roll only. Next one. So this abacus one first plus second is equal to this abacus shows which number of addition. First find out the number of given first abacus. So there are bits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 bits at tens place. At ones place there are 3 bits. So this is 73, and plus at tens place there is a 1 bits. At ones place there is a 2 bits. That is 73 plus 12. And so let's count the bits. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 bits at tens place, and at ones place there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bits. That is 85. So let's find out this addition, and this addition is in the option A. 73 plus 12 is equals to 85. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following options has the same cost as the amount shown below? So first find out the amount. So here is the 20 rupees. 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 60, 60 plus 10 17, 70 plus 5 is 75. So there are 75 rupees. Now Which of the following option has the same cost? So among these, yes, there is a toy of this bike whose price is rupees 75. So therefore option D is the correct answer. Next question. Dash dash is the longest and dash dash is the shortest. So among these, brush is the shortest and toothpaste is the longest. Therefore answer for this question is option A. Toothpaste is the longest and brush is the shortest. Next question. Dash dash is same as the number of butterflies shown here. So let's find out the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 butterflies. So we can write this 18 can be write as 1 tens and 8 ones, and which is in the option D. Therefore option D is the correct answer for given question. Next question. Which of the following can hold maximum quantity of the water? So which of the following object hold maximum quantity of the water? So obviously this term, right? So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Find the missing value. So we have 7 tens, 5 ones. So add tens place and add ones place. So there are 5 ones and 7 tens, that is 75, and plus 2 tens and 4 ones, that is 24, is equal to what? So let's do the addition. 75 plus 24. So 5 plus 4 9 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So obviously answer is 99, and that is answers for this question is option C is the correct answer. Next question from everyday mathematics. So Ayan had 22 stickers. He bought 7 more stickers from the store. How many stickers does Ayan have now? So we have given here. So there are 22 stickers and plus he bought 7 more stickers from the store. So we have to add 22 plus 7, and 22 plus 7 is nothing but a 29. Now, so Ayan have 29 stickers. So option D is the correct answer for the given question. So Kanika bought 3 packets of milk as shown here. Find the total cost of 3 such a packets. So if you see here, the packet of this milk has price 20 rupees each. And now Kanika want to buy 3 such a pockets. So she has to pay what? 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is 60 rupees. Therefore answer for this question is option C is the correct answer. Next question. In a farm there are 45 animals in all. So if 23 of them are cows and rest are the goats. So how many goats are there in the farm? So how many total animals? So there are 45 total animals. Among these 23 are the cows. So if we subtract these, we can find out the number of goats. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2, means what? There are 22 goats are in the farm. Therefore option B is the correct answer for given question. Next question. So Ankita's father gave her the given toy on her birthday. The shape of the given toy is, yes. So observe this. Shape of the given toy is looks like a cube. Therefore option A is the correct answer for given question. Next question. Anya has two sticks P and Q. So stick P is dash dash units longer than stick Q. So we can find out the length of stick P and length of stick Q. So this is what the Q starts and ends here. So how many pins? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Means what? The stick Q has the length 6 pins and the stick P. So let's find out the length of sticks P. So P starts from here. So let's count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 pins. So length for sticks P is 8 pins. Now the stick P is how much unit longer than the stick Q? So obviously we have to find out here 8 minus 6, that is 2, means 2 units longer than the stick Q. Therefore option A is the correct for given question. Next question. Aman donates 12 food packets on Saturday, 15 food packets on Sunday, so to needy people. How many total food packets did he donate on both the days? So what we have to do? We have to find out the number of packets Aman donates on Saturday, that is 12, and on 15. So sorry, the 15 food packets on Sunday. So we have to find out total packets. So we need to do addition. So 12 plus 15. So 2 plus 5 is 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So there are total 27 food packets. So he donate on both the days. So option A is the correct answer for the given question. Which of the following activities are generally done when a child gets ready for the school? So the child done the activity when they get ready for the school. Obviously they do the first brush, then they eat breakfast, and they wear shoes for a school. Means what? Option all are the correct. Therefore option D is the correct answer for given question. Next question. Aroi has car. How many cars? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. She gave 2 cars to her brother. So there are how many cars left with her? So obviously 6 minus 2, that is 4 cars left with her. Otherwise we can cancel these two and we can count this number of cars, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Therefore option C is the correct answer. Next question. Smriti has a kite having some numbers written on it. The number name for the greatest number written on the kite is. So here is the we have number and we have to choose the greatest number, that means the big number. So obviously big number here is the 90. Therefore 90 is the big number and we have given in the word. So therefore option A is the correct, that is 90. Next question. The weight of Asta's doll is equal to 10 marbles. What will be the weight of two such dolls? So Asta's doll weight is 10 marbles and we have to find out the weight of such a two marbles, right? So what we have to do? We have to do addition of 10 plus 10, that is 20 marbles. So this is the weight of two such dolls. Therefore option C is the correct answer for given question. Now this part is achiever section. So in achiever section, so one question is for 2 marks. So there are 5 questions in each question paper. So let's solve. So match the objects given in the column P with their correct subtraction sentence given in the column Q and select the correct option. So first in the column P, so there are donuts. How many donuts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 donuts and we have to cancel out 2 donuts. So 5 minus 2 is the 3. So if you see in this one, so this is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This is correct. Now in the second one, so there are 3 ice creams. 1, 2, 3 ice cream and we have to cancel 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and which is in the yes column Q. There is a option number 1. Similarly, in the R statement, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils, and among these, 3 will get cancelled. So 6 minus 3 is 3, which is goes to the fourth one. And in the fourth, yes, the statement S, that is the So 4 minus 2, that is 2. So which goes to a second number. Therefore choose. So P goes to 3. Yes. So option A is not correct and D is not correct. Now Q goes to where? 1. Yes. Therefore here is the 4. So option C is also not correct. Option B is the correct answer for the given question. Next question. So Amit has the following amount money. So he bought a packet of pencil of rupees 32 and a packet of crayons for rupees 43. So how much amount is left with him? So first find out amount Amit have, that is 50 plus 20 70, 70 plus 10 80, then 10 90, 95 and 97. So Amit has 97 rupees. So he bought a packet of rupees 32. So what we have to do? We have to subtract what? 97 minus 32. So this is 7 minus 3. Sorry, 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now he has 65 rupees. But he again bought a packet of crayons, that is 43 rupees. So let's subtract 43 from 65. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Means what? How much amount is left with him? That is 22 rupees left with him. Therefore, answer for this question is option A is the correct answer. We can also do here 32 plus 43, right? And we can subtract this amount from 97 so that we can find out 22 easily. Next question. Select the incorrect option. Option A is the month that comes just before August is July. Yes. So this is correct statement. Now we have to find out actually incorrect. Now in the statement B, the total number of days in a 3 weeks is 21. Yes, because in the 1 week there are 7 days. So there are here 3 weeks. Therefore 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 21. So this is a also a correct statement. Now statement C is there are 366 days in a non-leap year. So this is wrong statement because in non-leap year there are 365 days. Therefore, answer for this question is option C is the correct one. We can also verify the option D, that is when the sun rises it is morning, and this is actually a true statement. Next question. Observe the given picture carefully and state capital T for the true and capital F for the false. So statement P is there are 8 rectangles in the given picture. So let's count the rectangle. So here is the one rectangle, second, then third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So there are 6 rectangles. Means what? Given statement is what? A false statement. Now there are 4 less squares than circles. First find out the how many squares we have given. Yes. So there is 1, 2, and this big one is 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, and here is the 8, here is 9, and here is 10. So there are 10 squares, right? Now let's find out the circles. So how many circles we have? So we have 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and here is the 15. So there are 15 circles. So there are 4 squares than the circles. Is it true? No. Actually, there are 5 less squares than the circles in the given figure. So given statement is also what? A false statement. So we have to choose the option FF, and which is in the option D. So this is the correct answer for given question. Next question. A basket has how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 mangoes. Sumit put 3 mangoes in the same basket Which of the following number lines represent the total number of mangoes in the basket? So a basket has how much number of mangoes? That is 8. And Sumit puts again 3 mangoes in the same basket. So it becomes what? 8 plus 3 is 11 total number of mangoes in the basket. So find out that one by choosing the correct option from given option. So option A is, this is jumps from 0 to 8 actually, and then plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is not correct. Similarly, we have to jump first 0 to, yes, 8, right? So here is 0 to 5, so which is not correct. Option A is not correct. Option B is not correct. In option C, this if we start from 0 and we have to jump at the 8, that is correct. Then we have to again add 3 mangoes. That means 1, 2, 3, it becomes 11. So this is the correct number line represent the total number of mangoes. You can also see option D. Option D is not correct. So you, therefore option C is the correct answer for given question. So I hope you like all the question paper I solved here and you also enjoyed this, right? So let's stop here. Thank you.